Your child learned their letters, the sounds. They started to work through words on their own, and it felt like reading was right around the corner. And then something happened. They started guessing instead of decoding, looking at pictures for help. Suddenly, all the momentum is gone, and the progress you thought you were making is gone. That moment means reading just leveled up, and the rules changed without anyone explaining what they are. They're not going backwards, they're running into a new set of patterns that nobody has directly taught to them. That's the gap. Let me show you what's actually happening. In the beginning, reading is straightforward. Kids work with basic sounds, so CVC words like cat, dog, run. Each letter has its own sound, so sounding it out is simple. But as they start to explore new words, something shifts. The words they're seeing now have different rules. Long vowels like cake, vowel teams like rain or boat, or R-controlled vowels like car or bird. Those aren't just harder words, they're a different system. Reading is no longer about sounding out individual letters. It's about recognizing patterns inside words. And that's a completely different skill. And if kids don't understand those patterns, they don't decode and they start guessing. Here's the thing, kids don't guess because they're lazy. They guess because guessing feels like it works. Think about a word like train. If a child hasn't learned vowel teams yet, those middle letters, they don't make sense. The sounds don't add up. So they look at the picture and they make a guess based on context. And a lot of the time, they get it right. So the brain learns guessing is faster than decoding. And over time, that becomes the strategy. That's not a bad habit. It's a rational response to not having the right tools yet. These patterns, vowel teams, long vowels, R-controlled sounds, are rarely taught directly. Instead, kids are expected to pick them up naturally, to absorb them through exposure, to somehow figure it out. But that's not how strong readers get there. Strong readers learn patterns on purpose. Here's what direct instruction actually looks like. You teach a child that AI says A, and that's it. It's one pattern, and suddenly they read train, rain, paint, snail, plane, brain. That's not one word, that's an entire category of words that's now been unlocked by understanding one rule. That's the difference between guessing and actually reading. So what does this actually look like at home? Choose one pattern, so say EE. You don't move on until that pattern is solid. Tell them EE says E. You say it, they repeat it. You find it in words like sea, tree, green, sleep. You're not asking them to memorize those words, you're training them to hear and recognize the pattern. Then you read words that use it. Simple words first, then short sentences. I can see the tree. The goal isn't comprehension yet, it's pattern recognition. That repetition is what builds automatic recognition. And once a pattern is automatic, the brain stops decoding and starts reading. So if your child feels stuck right now, here's what to remember. They haven't hit a wall, they've hit the next level, and the only thing missing is someone showing them the new rules. If those rules get taught directly, one pattern at a time, the guessing stops and decoding starts. The process you thought was slipping away starts to come back. This is exactly why we built the Reader Pack. It's a hands-on card set designed for this exact stage. Vowel teams, R-controlled vowels, advanced patterns. The sounds kids are running into right now that nobody has explained to them yet. Each pattern taught directly, one at a time, so they're not guessing. They're actually reading. We're releasing it soon, and if you want to get early access to the pre-sale pricing, comment Reader below and I'll send you the link. And if you want to see exactly how we teach any sound step by step, watch this next. I walk you through the full method right here. I'll see you there.